Hello there. Welcome to Diet with Celestine. My name is Dr. Celestine Mensah, your favorite dietitian. Today I want to show you some of the basic things that you can do to cook your meat in a healthy way. So whatever meat you have, whether goat meat, cow meat, chicken, it is important that you remove the fatty part of the meat. The fatty part, when eaten, is what causes high cholesterol levels and can lead to cardiovascular diseases. So you need to remove all the fatty parts. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Chicken, the skin is concentrated on healthy fat, so it's important that you remove the skin and eat without the skin. So when you do it like this, it becomes a lean meat. When it comes to this is cow meat, it's important that you get a lean meat. So usually I'll request for lean cut, but sometimes the lean cut will even come with some visible fats on it. So you'd have to remove all these visible fats. To make sure that you truly have a lean meat. Then the second thing is you need to marinate it. So have a blend of spices like garlic, ginger, some herbs, these bay leaves, but any herbs you prefer is okay. So have a mixture of it, a blend of it, and then soak your meat in it for some period, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or some can even soak it in it and put it in the fridge overnight before cooking it. When you do that, it reduces some harmful chemicals from the meat. And apart from that, you have to cook your meat over a moist, slow heat. When you do that, the meat becomes tender and it preserves the nutrients. When you cook your meat over high heat in a rapid manner, it forms chemicals that are harmful to the body. So cook your meat thoroughly, but let the heat be gentle and use moist methods like boiling, steaming, and stewing. And I can assure you, you'll be eating your meat in a healthy way. Thank you.